Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Alpha Riders. The new V4 models take advantage of a culmination of meticulous applied aerodynamics research. A significant amount of time invested in a wind tunnel has produced a form and aesthetic with a very contemporary appearance. With increases in airbox pressure and downforce, this thoughtful design offers notable performance advantages at high speeds. The new V4 Factory versions have fully redesigned and upgraded ergonomics to increase rider comfort in addition to the aerodynamics. A rider can now fit precisely with the fairings while still having a sufficient amount of onboard room for a more natural and pleasant riding position thanks to the newly designed fuel tanks and saddle. The RSV4 Factory's updated 1099cc V4 engine is more powerful than ever and stronger than ever before. With an amazing 217 horsepower, the updated 1099cc V4 engine of the RSV4 Factory is the most potent Aprilia has ever produced. In contrast, the more upright Tuono V4's 1077cc V4 produces an impressive 175 horsepower. Engine 4 valves per cylinder, double overhead camshafts. DOHC, liquid-cooled, longitudinal 65 degrees V4 cylinder, Aprilia. The RSV4 comes in two versions, the Factory Edition and the base model 1100. The 999cc RSV4RR's SAC suspension, non-adjustable steering damper, and cast alloy wheels are all still present on the standard RSV4 1100, $18,999. The semi-active H-Lins Smart EC 2.0 electronically adjustable suspension, forged wheels, H-Lins electronic adjustable steering damper, and two factory edition color schemes are added to the RSV4 Factory, $25,999. The rider aids, semi-active H-Lins Smart EC 2.0 suspension system, and integration and usability of the RSV4 and Tuono's engine tuning are, by most accounts, still excellent. The RSV4 Factory and Tuono V4 Factory are still powerful, swift, and designed for track days, so despite the fact that you could spend a lot of time analyzing what is and isn't new, that isn't the major point of this article. And as we all know, the RSV4 is one of the fastest bikes available right now. Thanks.